go.
Let's take a ride. I've got the perfect place in mind. We've got an hour or so to hide. Montenegro, love of mine. Just one more bed. Let's find a brook or stream, my friend. Who cares if we're a little late again? Montenegro, Black Mountain. Then I magnify slit. I can't get enough of it. Oh, cuddle up, right by my side. The years will talk about tonight. Not a place that feels like home, no matter where we
Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today you're joining my friend Arash and I in a beautiful sunny Cornwall. We're in a place called St Ives, and this campsite that I've managed to find is called St John Inn. It was quite hard to find a place as this whole area is absolutely cramped with tourists with this weather we're having here in the UK. So I'm really pleased to be able to find this place. We've booked a pod for the night, which if you can show, which I think is a really cool place. There's kitchen and bathrooms and showers area over there, which we're going to do some maybe cooking later on. We've been having an absolute blast over the past few days. We stayed in Exeter in Devon, riding the bikes to the coast and enjoying the sunset by the beach. It's been absolutely amazing. We've managed to set up the Cordo communication system on the bikes and the helmets today. The helmets are on the bike actually, so I'll try to include a little footage of the communication systems. But I feel it's much nicer when we can chat and listen to the music in the background. So that's been a treat. And later on today we're going to the beach, check out the beach, hopefully find a place to have some traditional British pub food. That's the goal. And there's a boat in the garden. How cool is that? Talk to? Is that how would you say it? Talk to, yeah. So we're gonna unpack, get ourselves to the beach, grab some food, enjoy the evening.
Darling, I know it's hard to let go. Soon I will hold you again. Longer days when I'm away, but we'll both pretend to be bold. Darling, I've never been bold. Flowers you brought my stomach in knots. You never seem to be scared. My heart's on pause whenever you're gone. One day
We have some absolutely delicious food at a place called the Canteen at the Maker Height in Cornwall. Really, really delicious food, and we have this spectacular view of the beach on the left, and the mountain just further down. There's like a valley. It's really, really beautiful. Went for a swim this morning just to cool off. We are having an awesome time. Gonna carry on riding towards Cornwall.
Darling, I've never been there. We will travel many miles. Will we ever see home again? Waves they tower, screams get louder. All I need is your hand in mine. We will travel many miles. Will we ever see home again? Waves they tower.
Right, what was the name of the place? Colliford.
Colliford Lake, I
Colliford
think.
Lake. We've stopped to enjoy this beautiful place. We were at the cafe bike, the cafe bike cafe place. Was it Checkered Plate? And
I think so.
I was
yeah.
having a chat with a shop, one of the shop's mechanic, talking about Africa Twins, and then he starts cleaning my bike, which was absolutely amazing. He was giving me tips on how to keep on top of chrome, which I think it's something you would only get within bikers community, which is actually quite amazing. Like when you see or meet a biker, you can straight away start talking about bikes without even knowing each other and just talk about it. And I feel like you don't really have that with cars unless it's a specific like classic car community or a car meet. Anyways, we were talking how amazing value are those Africa Twins, because for about 3 to 4 grand you can buy an amazing cool retro looking machine that is practically bomb proof of how reliable they are. And yeah, we were actually talking on when we planned the adventures, it would be amazing to have an adventure bike.
Adventure
Arash
bikes
behind the
are
camera
cool.
is thinking about a new bike.
Yeah.
So he's currently riding the, what is it, EX6R?
Yeah, Kawasaki ER6F.
ER6F, which is a sports touring bike, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's called Ninja 650 now. I think they changed the name to Ninja. But yeah, beautiful bikes. Those are amazing bikes. I think the mid range has gotten a lot of love recently, and for the past few years.
I
But
was
really,
I
really
was
cool.
trying it yesterday, and I was surprised by how comfortable the positioning was. Whereas mine, as I, it's not the most comfortable bike, but I really enjoy it. But I am pretty much like this. But with yours, I was,
Yeah,
you know, I
it's
was
been
up there.
designed for it to be more sporty, but
Mm.
still be very, very comfortable for what the seating position is.
Yeah.
You can do both. You can actually push yourself a little bit back and be very sporty, or stay quite forward.
Let me give the camera so I can see you. And
Peace.
your next bike, what are you thinking about?
Difficult, man. Difficult. Either like a cafe racer, like a Bonneville, or an adventure bike. But I really like sport tourers.
Yeah.
Similar to what I got, like a
You
Ninja
like,
1000.
yeah. We tried that one in Manchester.
Yeah, sick, amazing bikes. It's
So-
just you never running out of power. You always you can either be as sporty as you want or as comfortable and like lean back as you want.
Yeah. It's a hard choice, really, isn't
Definitely.
it? Cafe racer, or a sports tourer, or an adventure bike.
Yeah, it's one of those
So
three.
he needs to do some
Research and
deciding and research. So we're
some
going to
riding
enjoy.
different bikes.
We do. We need to test more bikes. That's what we need to do.
Yeah.
So we are going to enjoy the sun, and then Arash is actually heading back towards Exeter, and then he's going to Manchester to visit some friends.
He might come back and visit me again.
So I will be carrying on riding to a place called St Ives in Cornwall. And then yeah, we have about an hour to chill out here, and then back on the road again.
Get going.
Okay, Mr. Arash is going off to Exeter and then back to Manchester to visit some family and friends.
Family and friends.
I'm off to St Ives. I will be staying in Cornwall for a few more days. So next video it will be hopefully me in St Ives and showing you around. We hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching,
We really enjoyed it, so
and we'll see you in the next one.
peace.
Right, man. See you very soon.
See you,
Hey,
mate.
safe travels.
Cheers, you too. Take care. See you soon.